Okay, y'all, it's Tuesday afternoon. It is Tuesday today.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, buddy.
Whew, child, this week is going by.
Slow.
Yes. Anywho, y'all, good Tuesday evening. I'm getting ready to fix something real quick. Some seasoned fries, and this is a rotisserie chicken that I mixed some barbecue sauce and some teriyaki sauce. Put it over there. 20 minutes, it'll be out. We're going to do a nice salad. We're still doing those quick meals. Oh, by the way, I started going to the Y, getting into the hot pool. One of my girls is working with me with trying to help me do some exercise in the pool, some water aerobics. It's going pretty well. I got to get used to getting up early in the morning, though, going, getting dressed, going out there, getting in that pool. But it's going pretty good. I've got a surgery date also for May 5th. This is a trial surgery, so we're going to do the trial May 5th. So I'll keep y'all updated. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this dinner going because I'm sleepy. I got up early this morning. I didn't do a lot of sleeping last night, and I need a good meal. So hang tight, and we'll be right back. This will probably take about 20-30 minutes to heat all this up and whatnot, and chop up a salad, and we're gonna have us a nice little meal here. So y'all don't go nowhere. Continue to pray without ceasing in between. If you need to whip up a good, quick, delicious, healthy, nutritious meal, go somewhere and buy you a good rotisserie chicken. Most of these rotisserie chickens work out pretty good. Now this one is from Sam's Club. So are the fries. I'm usually not a fast food person or a frozen food person, but I tell you what, that has brought me through. Never say never, y'all. These meals like this have pulled me through these last couple of months. So anywho, we get ready to pop them in the oven, pull them out, and set a plate. So hang tight, don't go nowhere. Find yourself something good to eat, and we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I told you it's ready. We're ready to sit back, relax, and enjoy this quick meal. It's that good old rotisserie barbecue chicken, a nice garden salad with lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and avocado. And of course, over there we got some fries going on. I might even pull me some pasta salad out from Sunday to eat with my meal. So anywho, y'all, we get ready to just call it an evening. The day has been sort of slow and dry. What y'all think? This weather, this not weather, but this season is going dragging. We had a big storm last night, and as a matter of fact, I think it made national news because about a block down the street from me, a huge tree fell on top of a truck. Thank God nobody was in that truck. The truck was sitting right in front of someone's home. And I kept hearing about it, seeing about it. So on my way out this morning, going to the Y, the streets were all blocked off. And I thought, what in the world? And I have to look to my left, and there it was, that tree. And thank God, that tree was just laying right across, crushed that truck all the way down. And again, thank God nobody was in that truck. But I thought, you know what? Again, we have to pray without ceasing more and more and step up our prayer life. You never know. That tree, that could have been any tree, because this whole area is loaded with pine trees, and it was a pine tree. And we have a lot of oak trees. Usually the oak trees fall. Oak trees they're older, and the roots are wider and kind of loose down there when it rains a lot. I mean, it rained really heavy, and all those things that look like little bugs were all over the neighborhood, everywhere. But you know what it did? Thank God, I ain't complaining. It washed all that pollen away, because I was just about getting ready to try to hire somebody to come and clean the pollen up. So it did take the pollen away. And like I say, fortunately, that truck that got hit by that tree, no one was in it, so there's no injuries that I know of. But throughout this neighborhood where I live, trees were down, all kinds of, tree limbs blown, the small debris all over the place. So we tell God, thank you, that so far I've not heard about any kind of bodily injury. So continue to pray without ceasing, like I said, for all things, for the weather, for our government, in our homes, for our children, for ourselves, for our health. And continue to pray for me, because like I said, I got my schedule for my surgery finally for next week. But I'll keep you up on it. I won't belabor you with it. I'll keep you up on it. as time goes by with it. But I'm excited about getting back into the Y and that warm water pool. And my girl Kim is going out there helping me with it because she's a massage therapist and she knows how to do all that kind of stuff. So thank God she is somebody that, that offered to help me out with it. I didn't have to go to wait around on physical therapy to get scheduled and all that kind of stuff. So I tell God thank you. He's always taking care of us, whether we acknowledge it or not. God is always taking care of us in ways that I wasn't even dreaming that by now I would be on my second day at the Y, getting in the pool at 8 in the morning. So anywho, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead, sit back, relax, and enjoy this meal. Thank y'all for stopping by, and thank y'all for continuing to send your comments in, your compliments, and your prayers. I love you. I'm reading them, and I'm going to get back to be diligent and get back to answering, because I used to answer every last one that I could. But, just when you don't feel well, it's kind of a little bit more difficult. But I love you. It's not that I'm ignoring. I am reading your comments and your compliments and whatnot. So, anywho, y'all, we're going to move on and just ask you to pray without ceasing to the glory of God that all things will work together for the good of those who love the Lord. So, remember, y'all, get into Psalm 91 and start reading that scripture. That's some good scripture, y'all. And for those of us who read, y'all know what I'm talking about. So, anywho, love you. Until I decide to cook again. Toodaloo. Get in that kitchen now, cook yourself something good to eat. And remember, pray without ceasing.